Hey everyone, welcome to Snagit. This tool allows you to capture images, text, web pages, and video within a few clicks. In addition, Snagit also allows for editing your capture prior to sharing it via email, posting, uploading, or adding it to your document or presentation. This lesson will discuss how to capture an image, text, video, and a scrolling web page using Snagit 11 in a Windows environment. Let's get started with some basic navigation within Snagit. Just a few tips for hassle-free recording. If you're capturing an extensive number of images, text, or video, it's suggested that you close any applications that are not part of your recording, like email, other documents, and web pages. Also, to take advantage of the entire page while recording, press F11. This allows for the full screen function while recording, and when finished, just press F11 once again. You also may consider using the Alt plus Tab key to move between open documents or applications. It saves time, and it's a good method for managing your documents, websites, while doing this project. The Snagit tool has two components that work together, the Capture tool and the Editing tool. First, you will need to select the image you want to capture before activating the Capture tool. Select an image from a document or web page and leave it open on your desktop. In this instance, I'm going to select an image from the Snagit web page. Navigate from your Start menu by clicking on the Windows Start icon, and then select Snagit 11 from your list. The Snagit page will open and display all the Capture profile icons. As you look in the upper left-hand corner, you will see the icons for image, video, and text capture. You will also notice in the lower right-hand corner of the page a red button, the Record button. This button will be selected when you are ready to capture your image. To begin, first select the image icon under Profiles to capture the image. Click the red button. This will activate the capture feature. Snagit will take you to the document or web page you selected on your desktop. In this instance, we've selected an image from the Snagit website. To set the crosshairs, left-click and hold the mouse button down at the location where you want the capture to begin. Then, drag while holding your mouse to the end location. Upon releasing the mouse, the image you selected within the crosshairs will open in the Snagit editor. The image from the website has been captured. It can now be edited in the Snagit editor. The tool will automatically save your image in its editing tool as shown below. Let's come back to our image later. This concludes how to capture an image using Snagit. In this section, we will learn how to capture a video using Snagit. Now let's go capture a video from the website. Select the desired video on your desktop, but do not start playing the video yet. It's important to set up your video, image, or website before activating Snagit. In this instance, we will capture a video from the Snagit website. Click the Snagit tool from the Windows taskbar. The Snagit tool will open and display the Profiles page again. This time, select the video icon under Profiles to capture a video. Click the Record button on the lower right hand of the page. This will activate the capture feature. Once again, to set the crosshairs, left-click and hold the mouse button down at the location where you want the capture to begin. Then, drag while holding your mouse button down to the end location of the video screen. Note, the yellow film strip image around the video indicates the capture area you selected. The Ready to Record message will appear on your screen. After a few seconds, the Record button shall appear in the right-hand corner of the page. Click the Record button to begin your recording. Once you click the Record button, A 3-second countdown will begin. Once the countdown completes, the recording feature shall automatically begin the recording. The Snagit recorder does all the work and captures the video from start to finish. At any time during the video capture, you can stop the recording by clicking the record button. Notice the record button is no longer red. It is black while the video is being recorded. Once the recording is complete, click the little white box next to the record button to complete the video and send it to the Snagit editor. You will notice the video is now in the capture tray within the Snagit editor. This concludes how to capture a video using Snagit. In this section, we will learn how to capture text for editing using Snagit. Now let's capture text from a website or document. Select your desired text to be captured, leaving it open on your desktop. It's important to set up the text to be captured before activating Snagit. In this instance, we've selected the New York Times website. Click on the Snagit tool from the Windows taskbar. The Snagit tool will open and display the Profiles page again. Select the text icon under Profiles to capture text. Click the Record button to activate the capture feature. Once again, to set the crosshairs, left-click and hold the mouse button down at the location where you want the capture to begin. Then, drag while holding your mouse button to the desired end location of the video screen. The text capture will automatically open in the Snagit editor. The text is completely editable in the Snagit Edit tool, or you can select the Finish Profile button to send the capture to an MS Office document, such as Word or PowerPoint, or upload to YouTube or screencast.com. The text from the website has been captured. It can now be accessed in the Snagit Editor tool tray. Also, it is noted as a text capture by the T in the lower left corner. Snagit adds this feature as part of its functionality. This concludes how to capture text for editing using Snagit. In this section, we will learn how to capture an entire web page using Snagit. Now, let's capture a scrolling window from a website. Select the desired web page to be captured, leaving it open on your desktop. It is important to set up the web page to be captured before activating Snagit. In this instance, we've selected the Cave website to capture. Click on the Snagit tool from the Windows taskbar. The icon for capturing a scrolling window is in the lower left corner of the Snagit page. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click this icon. Click the Record button. A double-sided yellow arrow will appear on top of the web page. Click the yellow arrow to capture the selected web page. The entire page from this website has been captured without any breaks or divides. The Cave web page has been captured in its entirety. It can now be accessed in the Snagit Editor tool tray. This concludes Section 4, How do I capture an entire web page using Snagit? This concludes the Snagit version 11 Navigation and Capture Overview in a Windows environment. This lesson discussed some of the basic navigation and capture features of the Snagit application. Additional Snagit lessons can be made available for learning how to use the edit and upload features of the tool.